Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to download Yandere simulator on your Mac. So here we are in their wiki basically, and here the way to run Windows programs on the Mac is using crossover, but that's going to be expensive. As you can see, that's 500, that's even before your tax. But it's pros right here to launch the applications, but not always correctly. It has its own Windows software library, but the cons is it's no longer supported, and it has a large number of bugs at launch, and it's very pricey. So we also have Wine right here. It's not the emulator basically, but it is a compatibility layer that is capable of running Windows so that you'll be able to run your Yandere simulator right here. So it has a lot of cons too, many bugs, and then you also need 5 gig required for the libraries and does not launch all applications, so Yandere simulator might fail on that. But basically you also have any type of VMs right there. You also have your parallels and other things like that. So similar to those, you can get those for around $10,000 to $10,000, which is pretty pricey also. But there are no visible cons except for the price itself. So some of them will have limitations, of course, because of the virtual RAM that you're gonna get and the space that you're gonna get. So I would actually let you get parallels. It's the most used in Mac since it's the easiest. So all you have to do is basically download the Yandere simulator right here, and then here use the launcher, then use the WordPress blog right here so that you'll be able to actually download it. So here you may encounter some bugs, so you can download it from here. If the launcher does not work, you can direct download it from their own official website, and sometimes it will have to update every 24 hours basically. So there's also old builds for old Mac support right there. So if you want the Mac support, it's only getting it in Windows, so there's no official Mac support for the Yandere simulator, but you can try using Wine, which is free. But if you want to, you can go ahead and try your Windows with your parallel desktop, so you can download it there and then you run it as normally. Just download it as normally, just like use parallels, then just launch Google there, download Yandere simulator from there, and then you'll be okay. So there you go, guys. It's pretty simple. So you just need a VM for Macs. So that's a lot of things that a lot of games you can actually play, not just Yandere simulator in parallels using your Mac. You can use it as a normal Windows machine. So there you go, guys, and that's how you do it.